What's that? You got a bird on you.
Awesome! Yeah.
This will be on Facebook.
His claws. Mom was thinking about it, Daddy. He wants me to drop it.